Hi, Year 9. So today we are looking at areas of quadrilaterals. So obviously a quadrilateral is a shape with four sides. So you've got a parallelogram, and the area is the length times the height, where the height is the perpendicular height, so it meets at a right angle. Now the reason why this is so is because imagine that you can chop this triangle off and move it over here. That would give us a rectangle. So then the area of the parallelogram would be the length times that perpendicular height, which is there. Trapezium, so we've got h over 2, where h again is the perpendicular height, divided by 2, and then we multiply that by a plus b. So these two sides added together. A rhombus, again, notice how with a rhombus the sides are all equal and the opposite sides are parallel. Same with the parallelogram, okay, their opposite sides are parallel, but also not equal. So for a rhombus and a kite, the area is a half times x times y, where x and y are the lengths of the diagonals. Okay, so find the area of each quadrilateral. Our first shape that we've got is a parallelogram. So because it's a parallelogram, the area is length times height, which is equal to 14 times 9. And that's 126 meters squared. Okay, the next shape is a kite. So the area of a kite is a half xy, where x and y are the diagonals. So it's a half of 14 times 9. Now you can think of doing this really quickly by going a half of 14 is 7, and then 7 times 9 is 63. And we're in meters again. Okay, our last shape is a bit random. Remember, because we're finding the area, this guy, well, you could break it up into two different shapes, I guess, but this is actually still a trapezium, so it looks random. I know you guys are used to seeing trapeziums like this. However, this is still a form of a trapezium where that h is the perpendicular height, because notice if this trapezium was cut off here, then that length is still, like, you can still work out that that's A and B. You're just obviously missing that section, which is still the same. So this 11 has to be classified as the height, not this, because the height, as you can see, is the perpendicular height. So it meets at a right angle, which is this. Okay, that's the height because they meet at right angles, and that's your A and B. So our area, this is a trapezium. Whoops. Area is h over 2 times a plus b, where the h is 11 over 2 outside of 10 plus 15. And if you calculate that, you get 137.5 centimeters squared. And that's literally it. Good luck.